In this video, I'm going to show you how to make JotForm copy your form data directly to Google Drive. To start, log into your JotForm account and hover your mouse over the form that you want to integrate with Google Drive. Keep in mind you'll need to set this up for each form individually. Once you've chosen your form, click on Edit Form. From here, look towards the upper side of your screen and click on Settings. After that, go to the left-hand menu and click on Integrations. Now scroll through the available options until you find Google Drive. Alternatively, you can simply type Google Drive into the search box to locate it more quickly. Once you see it, click on it. At this point, you'll need to authenticate your Google account so JotForm can connect to your Drive. To show you an example, if I open my Google Drive right now, you can see that it's completely empty. Back in JotForm, click on the Authenticate button. A prompt will appear asking you to select your Google account. Choose the account you want to use, then allow all the necessary permissions so JotForm can create and manage folders in your Drive. Once that's done, you'll see some integration settings. The first thing it will ask you is what you'd like to name the main folder where your JotForm submissions will be stored. Enter your desired folder name here. Below that, you have the option to create a subfolder for every new submission. This means each individual response will have its own separate folder, keeping things nicely organized. You can also set these subfolders to be named dynamically based on a form field. For example, I want each subfolder to be named after the person who fills out the form, so I'll select the name field from the drop-down menu. Next, scroll down and click on the PDF drop-down menu, then choose Default to ensure each submission is saved as a PDF. If your form includes any file upload fields, you can click on another drop-down to select these, so uploaded files will also appear in the Drive folder along with the PDFs. After setting all of this up, click on Save to complete the integration. Your JotForm is now successfully linked to Google Drive. Click on Publish, then to test it, open your form in a new tab. Fill it out with some sample data, enter a name, type a message, and upload a file from your device. Once you submit the form, you'll see a confirmation that it was submitted successfully. Now, if I return to my Google Drive, you'll notice that where it was empty before, a new folder has been created with the name we specified. Inside this main folder, there's a subfolder automatically created and named according to the form response, in this case, using the person's name. When you open this subfolder, you'll find the PDF file containing all the form responses and any uploaded files stored separately. If I open the PDF, you'll see it clearly lists all the answers submitted through the form. And that's how you can easily make JotForm copy your data into Google Drive.